November 4th November 2023, Saturday, the very last day, the day of N9geria, the day he set aside for his children to respect and honor him, is the day you come to wage war with us. Tell me why you must not die. Just tell me one reason why you must not die. And do you know what? Today is Eke, the very first market day in Igbo land. Eke will destroy all of you that step your foot into the land of Biafra in the name of to kill the children of the source. Because I will always tell you that he that come with bullet and gun must die with bullet and gun. You don't throw bomb. So far, you don't throw five bomb. Man of him.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new in this channel, please consider to subscribe, like the video, share it to many groups, comment and tell us what you think about the video. If you are watching from Facebook, please follow us on this page, like the video, comment and share as well. Support your brother in growing these platforms. It is all for our own good, for we to know what is going on, for we to discuss our internet and share ideas as brothers and sisters. Because we all know that everything is being deprived from us, from those of us from Southeast. So that is why we all decided to, broadcast on our own individual platform to make sure that we spread the news and what is happening around us. Support me in this platform, in my YouTube and my Facebook. Thank you so much as you do so. This is Biafran Government Liberation Army Commander, what he has to say. Today being Saturday, people are busy, those are doing their traditional marriage and wedding, but Nigerian army decided to invade our land again as they normally do, seeking for whom to devour. Let's watch and hear what happened.
We are equal to the darks. But I'm asking you, Hope, is it all you can do? Hope, send more men now. Hope, send more men. Hope, send more men. Is it all you can do? You just sent 500 men to come to Osumowo. 2,000 came, they could not do anything. 1,000 came, they could not do anything. Now 500, you fit do something. Are you so stupid? Are you so stupid that you cannot reason with your head? Hope, are you so stupid that your mind cannot tell you that, hey, this man cannot match this army of N9geria town or bomb?
That is what you can hear from what they have done in different land today being Saturday. These are gallant men have this information to let us know that they have come and probably they have collected Wooto as usual. But everything is not what you need to see because of the rules and regulation of the UIT and the Facebook. So we are not going to show everything here. You can see here you can see a Nigerian military, moving around Biafra land. People, when they see them, they become afraid. People are panicking, at sight of this Nigerian security agency. These are Nigerian army. You can see them. They saw this man. They jumped out, attacking the man. The man was already afraid just to see their vehicle coming towards his direction. He was already afraid. I will allow you to watch this video and see what happened here. Then you compare it with Biafran Liberation Army. You can see now they are here. The man started running. The man started running. They chased the man. The man was begging them. They fired a shot, not at the man. I think they fired it on the air. So the man, was begging them, and they left. But what I'm trying to say, you can see how panicked the man was. Now we need to compare it with this video. Let's compare this video with a Biafran Liberation Army. Now let's compare these two videos here. This is Biafran Liberation Army. in the market, people were relaxed because they know that.
As you can see, the market is moving. The market is moving. We want peace in Biafra land. Peace. That's what we want in Biafra land. We don't want violence. But since they don't want to give all problems to us, we will take it by fire, by force. We are moving. We are coming. No one will take away what belongs to us. For us, this is our land, and you must take away our land.
This is Biafran Liberation Army. After dealing with Nigerian military, after facing Nigerian military, they are going back. So it's not just that they are parading. They went for war and they're coming back after they engaged Nigerian
Liberation Army.
Okay.
You have come to take what belongs to us. No matter what it takes, no matter what Nigeria does, but we are here to defend our land. Never give them that chance again. Never give them that opportunity again to ride over us. We have come to protect our land. No matter what they do, no matter the kind of weapon they come with, but we are here to defeat them and collect whatever they come with. So far the land of Biafra is concerned, we have come to possess our possession. We are talking to our brothers, our sisters, our mother, possess our possession. We are talking to our brothers, our sisters, our mother to come into their home, come into their family, take care of their fans, their business, whatever they are doing. No more running. We are here to guide and protect them. We are here to guide and protect their lives and their property. No Nigeria forces will come here again to destroy or to thief. As we talk, it remains like that. No one challenge the children of Tiko Kabiama and goes free. As we say it remains like that in the name of Tiko Kabiama. After rugged, no, it's good. Good to go.
Okay, guys, we have watched them, and you can see what I was saying, that people were relaxed at seeing them. They are not afraid. They are not panicking because they know who they are. They know whom to trust and who not to trust. But if anybody sees Nigerian army or even police, they started panicking. They started shivering because they know what is at stake. They know they may lose their life at the sight of police or Nigerian army. Okay, I just want us to watch this video. This is Ooni of Ife, what he has to say about the Igbos, because sometimes we don't know who we are. Sometimes when our people says that Igbos are hardworking, that they are this, some of us may think that is just bluffing, that they're just saying it's a propaganda and all that. But hear what the Ooni of Ife, a Yoruba man, said about Igbos and Igbo race. Just hear him.
God created wealth. God created prosperity. God created the entire humanity. But at some point, the world of the spiritual world, that's the world of divinity, existed several thousands of years before humanity. One of the world of divinity is Aje, in which in Ife, it has been from time immemorial, before creation of humanity. It has been like that in terms of celebration of wealth. But to the glory of God, a particular race actually discovered it first. And the truth be told, the race that first discovered prosperity and wealth, and they really nurtured it, are the Igbo race. The Igbos first discovered it through their ancestral background, the lineage of Obatala, discovered the prosperity and wealth in terms of the divinity world. And that's the reason why today the race of Igbo people, they're very, very particular, and they have very good expertise when it comes to commerce. They are very distinct all over the world. There is no place in the world that you will go that you won't find an Igbo man. And the same goes with the Jews. There is this mistake that the world usually make. They make this mistake that the Igbos came from the Jews. No, it is the other way around. The truth be told, the first human race that existed was the Igbos before the Jews, and we were all living together at the center of tropical rainforest, which is the heart of the whole thing, the land of expansion. We were all living together as one big happy family before they started moving clockwise. They started moving towards the eastern part of the world, where they started settling. So the race of the Jews and the Igbos are very similar, but the Igbos are way older than the Jews. They are both commercially driven, they are both enterprise in nature, they are both driven by wealth, because that is their ancestral belief. That's the race they belong to. In Nigerian economy today and the entire black race, if you don't give honor to the Igbos in terms of commerce and trade, you are just deceiving yourself. So the truth be told, let us go back to our history, where we all came from. Ideally, the Igbos are supposed to join us to celebrate this festival, because it belongs to them and the entire human race and the Yoruba race. We are just the custodian, because at some point we're all living together here. So let us realize what connects us. What connects us is more important than what brings us, that separates us. This is one of the major things that connects us together. So I want to use this medium of this festival to reach out to them, for them to dig out more facts about their history, the main scholars in Igbo land, to fact find their roots and ascertain the fact that we're all living together as one big happy family. And Igbos, they don't joke with kola nuts, and we use kola nuts to appease the spirit of Aji.
Okay, you have heard it from Ooni of Ife, what he said about the Igbos. So it is a very, very vital information, and a historical one for that matter. I have another news to share with us. You know, many times some of us believe that only Igbos are interested in Biafra, that sometimes some people believe that Igbos are the one pushing other parts of Southeasterners to join Biafran. I've heard someone saying that, but it's a Yoruba guy who was claiming that Igbos are forcing other people to join them, and and those people are not interested. So this video is from Riverline area, our brothers from Riverline area. So you can hear what I said and how they throw their support to Biafran government in Exile.
We are here celebrating the news we have had after the completion of our referendum in Finland under the leadership of His Excellency, the Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa and Joku. We are happy to hear that the referendum has been concluded and sealed. So we are free now, and above that, the zoo government are not even ashamed to come out that they have restored us. We are no more terrorist organization. And it was a lie, it's a fraud. They use us to get more money and deceive us for this number of years. Whether they like it or not, the land zone is coming out.
Yes.
I said we are coming out.
Yes.
We are moving out.
Yes.
We are moving out.
Yes.
Biafra will hail you.
Yes. Oh, hail Biafra.
All hail
Biafra.
Biafra.
Biafra. Oh, hail Biafra.
And the most important thing is that very soon, it will not be long. Our commander-in-chief, Oyendu, the Ohamadike, word of Biafra land.
Yes.
He will come out gallantly. And the government of this zoo country, they will cry. Some of them will die on their bed. Some of them will go and look for rope and hang. We are moving on. We will declare Biafra very soon. Amen. And we will celebrate.
Yes.
All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
All hail Biafra.
Shalom.
Shalom.
I'm on you, Nika.
Think here I will stop the video here for now. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me. Click the like button, follow me on my page, subscribe if you have not, share the video, share it to many groups of your choice. Let it spread around so that people will hear what is happening in different land. People will know that different liberation armies are not food in their hands, that different government in Exile are doing very well. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye for now.